We have around 113 houses. Our church, the school buildings, and all our homes are torched down. And what pains me is that we could only know about our houses through Meitei channels because there's no internet connectivity there. I don't know about others. All my life, I thought I took pride in having such a diverse community and environment. But now I didn't know they were planning to kill us, to burn our house, to loot our houses like that. In just a matter of a month, we have become enemies. And we who don't have the resource to tell our stories are being tagged, labeled, and we are told we are immigrants. I was born in Manjapugri, in Imphal, and my
करते हैं to we pay our respect to the Indian Army. They have been protecting us because they have been sent by the central government, isn't it? Yes. The army personnel have been protecting us, Adivasi, us tribals. I give my highest salute to the Indian Army, but we do not have any faith in the state police force, isn't it? Yes. So we are going to say down, down, Biren, isn't it? Yes. Down, down. Yes. Down, down. Yes. Down, down. Yes. We will start the formal program in a bit, and I request the media person, sir, ma'am, सारे please side पे खड़े हो जाइए या पीछे खड़े हो जाइए. You can stand, you can sit. We will start the formal program in a while.